नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतः क्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। After the Basanta Panchami, when Vishnu Puja started, this people they start chanting Gita. How many people know Gita? Srimad Bhagavad Gita. How many people have read or know the name or you clearly can like I'm not sure. It's okay. Gita Su Upanishad Sa Brahma Vidya Yoga Shastra. It is Brahma Vidya. It is pure knowledge of impersonal. To know about Advaita, personal and impersonal, without knowing Gita, it is useless to talk about other shastras. Yona janati Gita ya Sugita ativarchana. If people they don't know or don't read Gita, they don't have right to read about other shastras. The first should be reading Gita. You read Gita, and there is a very beautiful combination. Even when you look Vedic mythology, when you listen Vedic mythological stories, always something very connected to the human body. Always they make mythology that people interest. Yeah, like in childhood, when I cry, so they said, "Oh, that is Hawa." You know, like dark. There was like Hawa. If you cry, it is Hawa will come and take me. You know, so they put fear of darkness. So the mythology is something like this, that the people have control. The demons, this kind of demon and that kind of demon, that the people always should understand that in them there is a demon, and they should always care about this unknowledge, the demon of unknowledgement. In Gita, there is Arjuna, Krishna. You know, there are 5 Pandavas. There is in Srimad Bhagavad Gita or in this Mahabharata, there is 5 Pandavas. 1 Krishna, 5 Pandavas, and 100 Kauravas. Now understand in your physical body this. Krishna, and how you will understand properly Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the secret of understanding Srimad Bhagavad Gita in a proper way is that the Krishna is the soul, Arjuna is the mind, and this Karna, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakul and Sahadev, these 5 brothers, 5 senses in your body. Eyes, nose, Arjuna means eye, he look and shoot, and it is absolutely into it, means concentration. Eyes have the concentration, Trataka. Nakul, Sahadev, the nose, 2 nose strills, Nakul and Sahadev, left and right. Pranayama, always balance, always beautifully, always. Yudhishthira, the tongue, always truth speak. Bhim is the body, very strong one. So, senses, understand? Now, tomorrow you are going to read Gita, there you don't need to disturb your mind into the mythology. That, why this mythology and for what use? No, this is physical body. And now, more better. Krishna is the soul and Arjuna is the mind. Mind have many questions. And always soul, if you go to the soul, and soul have always answer. So, now, Krishna is Visad, Arjuna having problem. He say, I don't want to fight. It is too much. Arjuna is having now problem in Visada Yoga. He is troubling, he is sad, he have because many questions. So Krishna, the soul always help. Because soul is always your own and others are just others. Even though our mother, father or family, relatives, they time limited. Soul is eternal, always with you. Even you are sad or even you are bad, soul is always with you. So here is this combination of Krishna and Arjuna. Need to understand Gita like this. That's me. My soul is telling and my mind is listening. Now who are these 100 Kauravas? These 100 brothers, no? The Kauravas, Duryodhan, Kausalya, Kekai, there's 100 brothers. Who they are? These 100 desires. They are our desires. I need this, I need this, I need this, I need this, and this also I need, and I also want this. The 100 Kauravas are no one else. It is the desires, our desires. Who their senses want to do yoga, but desire don't let do yoga. Not let control. These 5 Pandavas say, give me just little bit space to do my practice that we can live. Give me 5 villages, 5 places. This desire say, no, we don't let you do any kind of yoga, any kind of practice. Only desire. And then human body start working only for the desires and get destroyed and born again and again and again. So, if you want to understand Srimad Bhagavad Gita, understand that Kauravas are not Kauravas. Kauravas are my desires and I want to come over. I want to win my desires. This I want, that I want, this and that, and this. Nose want to smell something very good, blah blah, and eyes want to look only beautiful places, and tongue only want to taste something good, and ear only want to listen what they want to listen, skin only want to have good touches, and what else? No? So that through yoga, that what we trying, that these desires come in control, and after this control, I can understand the Gita. Yeah. So next time when you're reading Gita, you know who you are. Because in each house, in each life, Mahabharata is going on. The war of Mahabharata. Everybody have fight with each other. With mother, father, no understanding. With children, no understanding. With friends, not understanding. Everybody is fighting. Tell me one person who not have this. Everybody is fighting with everybody. And also, not from neighbors. More in family problem. Uncle like this, we don't talk to our uncles because they don't understand what we do, and uncles say the same things like that. No? So Mahabharata is going, today Mahabharata is going on in each house, in each family is going on Mahabharata. The clever is only one who understands the Gita and understands Gita in the way that Arjuna understands. It's not always to kill, it's always to understand. Krishna not say him to kill them all. He says just understand your duty. You understand your duty, you do your duty. Don't think about anything else. That Krishna tried to explain Arjuna. Not he tried, he did it. He convinced him to do it, and he did it. It is all about you and your soul connection. Drashta. I always give pushing. Drashta. Drashta Sarup. Drashta Sarup. Become Drashta. Look, watch what's going on around. You're doing action. And in this action, don't look yourself that you do this. Become Drashta Sarup. He said, yes, it is happening. It is happening. Body is doing. It is happening. Still Drashta Sarup. Like you watch the TV, movie or some game and become excited. Oh, if he would play like this, that would be already goal. Like you watch football match, no? I see so many people watching in Europe football match, become crazy for it. In India for cricket, England also cricket, people who play cricket become crazy. Watching this, want to have influence by watching in TV. Because Drashta Sarup is very strong. Because the Drashta Sarup you are feeling to be a watcher, to view, to see, is so strong, their concentration is so strong that you want to have influence, and you start becoming emotional and say, why is he doing like this? He would be here, so he would catch this, isn't it? Or he would be kicking like this, he would be having goal. Because the Drashta Sarup is that much strong, you totally concentrate in it. But in a real life, if there is no Drashta Sarup, or in your practice there is no Drashta Sarup, so you do physically, you're doing, but you're not seeing the result. Because very far from the truth. So trying Drashta Sarup to finding Drashta Sarup. So I want to read Gita. There will be 44 slokas. Enjoy the mantras. Try to get in meditation. Feel yourself very much like it. That you listening Gita. परमात्मने नमः।
श्री परमात्मने नमः।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जय मुदीरये। Silent. Open the ears and observe each sound that you listen. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवः मामका पाण्डवश्चैव किं कुर्वन्त संजय। संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यामुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्। पश्यतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महती चमुं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता। अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुन समायुधि युधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथा दृष्टकेतुश्च केतानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरजितकुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवा युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एवं महारथा। अस्माकं तु विशिष्टा ये तान्निबोधा द्विजोत्तमा नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते। भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जय अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः सूरा मदर्थे तक्तजीवितः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरण सर्वे युद्धविशारदः। अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्वरमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम् अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागम् अवस्थिता भीष्मामेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि। तस्य संजनया सन्नहर्षा कुरो वृद्ध पितामह सिंहनादं विनोदोच्चे शङ्खं दद्मो प्रतापवान् तथा शङ्खस्य भैरश्च प्रणवान् खगोमुखा सहसवेभ्यः हन्यन्त सा शब्दस्तु मूलोऽभवत् तथा श्वेतैर्हैर्युक्तै महती स्यानन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवाश्चैव दिव्यशङ्खौ प्रदोद्मतु पाञ्चजन्यं हृषिकेशो देवदत्तं धनञ्जय पौण्ड्रं दद्मो महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मा वृकोदरः अनन्त विजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषं मणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वास शिखण्डी च महारथ दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्विकेश्च पराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथ्वीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहो शङ्खान् दद्मो पृथक् पृथक् सघोषो धार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि विदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वज प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पात्ये धनुर्धम्यं पाण्डवः हृषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदम् आह महीपते अर्जुनोवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थाप्य मेच्युत यावदेतान् निरक्षेऽहं योद्धुं कामान् वस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्या अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे योत्स्यान्मानान् वेक्षेऽहं या एतत्र समागतः धार्तराष्ट्रश्च दुर्बुद्धेर्युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवा संजय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमा भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् संवेत्तान् कुरुनिति तत्र पश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितृनत्थ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा ससुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेय सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टो विशद्धिन्नमब्रवीत् अर्जुनोवाच दृष्टवेमं स्वजनं कृष्णं युत्सं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपुदश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं सन्त्रस्ते हस्तत्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्दं किं भोगे जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोग सुखानि च ता इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणास्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्यः पितरः पुत्रांस्तथैव च पितामहः मातुलः सुसराः पौत्रः शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्य राज्यस्य हेतोः किं नु मही कृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः क प्रीतिः स जनार्दन पापमेव श्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैताना आततायिनः तस्मान्नारः वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनं स्याम माधवः यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षय कृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं कथं तु गेयस्माभिः पापदस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षय कृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्दिभिः जनार्दनः कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कीर्तस्न मद्धर्मोऽभिभवत्युत अधर्माभिभवत् कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रिया स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णशङ्करः शङ्करो नरकायेव कुलज्ञानं कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषा लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रिया दोषैरैते कुलज्ञानं वर्णशङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वता उत्सन्नः कुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दनः नरके नियतं वासो भवित्यनुशुश्रुमः अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तु व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्या सुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमोद्यता यदि माम प्रतीकारं शस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युस्तन्मे क्षेमतरो भवेत्। संजय उवाच एवं मुक्त्वा अर्जुनं सांख्ये रथोपस्थापाविशत् विसृज्य ससरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः। ओम जय जय श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायोगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्ण अर्जुन संवादे अर्जुन विषाद योग नाम प्रथमो पुष्प कृष्णार्पणमस्तु। हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभंगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्देर्विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोके एकनाथं नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवाय सततं नमः नमो प्रकृति भद्राय नियतां प्रणत स्मतां रौद्राय नित्याय गौर्ये धात्राय नमो नमः ज्योतिष्णाय चन्द्रोपिण्ये सुखाय सततं नमः कल्याणं प्रणतासिद्धि कूर्मो सिद्धि नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः या देवी
या देवी
सर्वभूतेषु
सर्वभूतेषु
लक्ष्मीरूपेण
लक्ष्मीरूपेण
संस्थिता
संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै
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 नमो नमः
नमो नमः
या देवी
या देवी
सर्वभूतेषु
सर्वभूतेषु
दयारूपेण
दयारूपेण
संस्थिता
संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै
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 नमो नमः
नमो नमः
या देवी
या देवी
सर्वभूतेषु
सर्वभूतेषु
क्षुधारूपेण
क्षुधारूपेण
संस्थिता
संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै
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 नमो नमः
नमो नमः
या देवी
या देवी
सर्वभूतेषु
सर्वभूतेषु
शक्तिरूपेण
शक्तिरूपेण
संस्थिता
संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै
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 नमो नमः
नमो नमः
इन्द्रयाणम्
इन्द्रयाणाम्
अधिष्ठात्री
अधिष्ठात्री
भूतानां
भूतानां
चाखिलेषु यत्
चाखिलेषु
भूतेषु
भूतेषु
सततं देव्ये
सततं देवे
व्याप्ति
व्याप्ति
देव्ये
देवे
नमो नमः
नमो नमः
Very beautiful, very easy mantra, very good pray. Should be prayed by anybody and understand again. This all mythological story, not mythological to make it interesting. This come mythological. Otherwise, it is only about the physical body and the consciousness, universal cosmic knowledge. To for you, they try to put in a way that will become like a drama. Otherwise, now this mantras what we chant say Indrayanam Adhishtatri Bhutanam Cha Kleshvet Bhutesu Satatam Tasya Vyapti Devya Namo Namah. The mantras what we was chanting now, they were Shakti mantras. They are Shakti mantra. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Matra Rupena Sastita Namastasya 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 Namo Namaha. That in everybody, the motherly energy, even in man or even in woman, this is the goddess Shakti. Ya Devi Sarva Bhutesu Lakshmi Rupena Sanstita. In everybody, the ojas what is visible in the form of Lakshmi, the power what is visible, it is the goddess Durga, it is the Shakti itself. Even though the hunger what you feel only from the Shakti. If you are weak, Indriyas are weak, the senses, you sick or something, you don't have appetite. Yeah, you don't feel for food. It means the power makes you to be hungry, to eat. So it is Shakti. It is all about Shakti. And here these mantras are Shakti mantras that you praying to the goddess Shakti. Give me hunger. Because when I have hunger, I will work and I will have food. When I don't have hunger, I don't have enthusiasm to do something. For what? Kshuda trishata jananishmaranti. So these are mantras, should be chanted, practiced by everyone. Vidyudam Samaprabham Mrgavatim Viskandishtatam Vishnam Kanyabhikarabalaketa Vilasadhistabhirasevitam Hastai Chakragadasikete Visikhaschapam Gunam Tajani Vibranam Manalatmikam Sasidharam Durgam Trinetram Bhaje Om Shri Durga Devi Namaha Om Shri Kalikabhyam Namaha ॐ श्री चामुण्डा देवीभ्यो नमः। श्री सर्वेश्वरै देव्यै नमः। ॐ ह्लीं बगलामुखे नमः। ॐ जयाय छिन्नमस्ताय नमः। ॐ शक्तिधराय नमः। ॐ कालिक्याय नमः। ॐ महिषासुरमर्दिन्यै नमः। ॐ ताराय नमः। ॐ चण्डिकाय नमः। ॐ गौर्याय नमः। ॐ भुवनेश्वराय नमः। गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय च धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिं प्रचोदयात्। श्रीगणेशाय नमः। ॐ जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। अंधन को आँख देता कोढ़िन को काया। बांझन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती। एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी। मस्तक सिंदूर सोहे मूठ की सवारी। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। अंधन को आँख देता कोढ़िन को काया। बांझन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया। पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा। लड्डुअन के भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती। शूर साम शरण आए सफल की जय सेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। ओम गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय च धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिं प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय च धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय च विद्महे कन्याकुमारीं च धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गीं प्रचोदयात्। महालक्ष्मीं च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नीं च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मीं प्रचोदयात्। ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय च धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। ओम वज्रदंताय विद्महे तीक्ष्णनखाय च धीमहि तन्नो नरसिंह प्रचोदयात्। ओम वासुदेवाय च विद्महे कृष्णप्रियाय च धीमहि तन्नो कृष्ण प्रचोदयात्। ओम नारायणाय च विद्महे वासुदेवाय च धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। ओम सेवन्तिकां वकुलचं पटपाटलाब्जे। पुन्नागजाति करवीररसालपुष्पे। बिल्वप्रभाल तुलसी दलमञ्जरीभिः त्वं पूजयामि जगदीश्वरि मे प्रसीद। नाना सुगन्धिपुष्पाणि ऋतुकालोद्भवानि च। पुष्पाञ्जलिर्मया दत्तो ग्रहणं परमेश्वरो। ॐ नमस्ते नरसिंहाय नमस्ते नरसिंहाय। प्रह्लाद लादादायिने प्रह्लाद लादादायिने हिरण्यकाशीपूर्वक्षः हिरण्यकाशीपूर्वक्षः शिलटङ्कानखानाय शिलटङ्कानखानाय इतो नरसिंहं परतो नरसिंह इतो नरसिंहं परतो नरसिंह यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह बहिर्नरसिंहो हृदये नरसिंह बहिर्नरसिंहो हृदये नरसिंह नरसिंहमदिं शरणं प्रपद्ये नरसिंहमदिं शरणं प्रपद्ये तव करकमलकरे नखामद्भुतशृङ्गारा दलिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे तव करकमलकरे नखा अद्भुतशृङ्गारा दलिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगुं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्मा शान्ति सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्ति सामः शान्तिरेधि यतो यथा समीहसे ततो नो अभयं कुरु सन्नः कुरु प्रजाभ्याम् अभयन्नः पशुभ्यः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति सुशान्तिः ॐ कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतः क्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय कल्याणमस्तु ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
Shiva. Shivaya. Om Namah 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 Shivaya.
Yes, babes. Wow. Studi mama of the new. Studi mama the new. Ria also. Thank you. ज़्यादा लोग हैं इसे इंसाइड करेंगे Okay, this is actually I bring for meditation. I have this V42. It is gamma frequency of the heartbeats, and they are the frequencies for heartbeat to opening heart and be oneness. So this is founded in Austria. Some of friend, and he gifted me to practice. When the people come and we can practice together. Wait, you do, come, you do, and this can be done with everybody. I not did now that because many people and I have only I think 12 here. So it goes in one frequency. There is no other frequency, only one frequency. Like today we did the practice of Brahmari Pranayam. Brahmari Pranayam have one frequency, yeah, like it is opening the heart chakra. However, this tranquility for the mind, what produces it is called Gluck hormone. It produces the hormones what makes you happy. Yeah, it is because opening the heart chakra, and this Brahmari Pranayam is pranayam like Nada Brahma Tadasandhanam. It means because the sound, when you go into your original taste to being here. You know, look, I born in my childhood I know some taste. Till today I have this taste and I like this food from my childhood till today now. Yeah? There is some food what I like. It is sitting in my tongue, not only in tongue, in my memory. And this is, whenever this smell, this food comes, it makes me very happy. Like the food of my grandmother's hand. No? Or cookies or blah blah. Everybody have some experience in the loop. Yeah? So the Brahmari Pranayam, because it is the sound of quantum. No, I'm not changing any words. It is very great respect of Madhavan. Only in an evening practice how I can bring it in my words. Yeah? Because in the morning I came in the class because very interesting was the subject. You know, it's master of his art. Wow. You know, very lucky to be having him here and listen something. So what it happens that everybody understand, because very beautiful subject it is Brahmari Pranayam. The Brahmari Pranayam produces, through the pranayam we produce some kind of hormones what makes us happy. Yeah, the mind relaxes and the human become happy. Now understand what is this. Because the sound, my DNA knows. And when I create the sound many times, I go in my previous, no, like in my slowly I go, start relax, touch subconsciousness level. Subconsciousness level is connecting to the DNA system. Try to get information from my inner side. And what is this inner DNA system has? I should be happy. No, this my subconsciousness said, I should be happy, I should be healthy, I should be do my practice. So this Brahmari Pranayam produces. Same thing somebody had been founding. So they was practicing for a long time yoga and traveling around. And these people found, this is called VH2. It is the frequency of the heartbeat. VH2, yeah, Fao Heart Swai, is the frequency of heart. So when you do this, we have this, like we can do in 2 groups. Tomorrow I do morning time with our Ayurveda groups this exercise, and then in evening time we can do this exercise in yoga also if you want, no? And I have liquid, so nothing to worry about that. We don't do disinfection. I have this. So Europeans, they make it very perfectly. So they even give me one spray after using you. What I was doing it like, and I cook them. I also boil them, sir, because I don't want to be sick of. So it is totally disinfected, and every time we disinfect, and it is keeping in town another. And it is the sound. It is like these gamma frequencies. Can you bring me one, Devika? Can you give me my one? Tasha, das ist so eine für Papa. Da in die Mitte. In die Mitte. Das ist für Papa. Schau, gibst du? Papa nicht.
Yeah, okay.
No, okay. That's good. That's good. It is same. The Madhavan was explaining about this vibration of the teeth and the tongues and everything that vibrate, and you can feel this vibration very, very clearly. Okay, thank you, madam. You put it back, huh? You have already 3 years. I know that. So tomorrow morning we can do that practice. And anybody want to try it? And please read about it. VH2, this is something, I found that something good. It is. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No, it's fatigue. Give me 2. This and this also. And this one also. Baby,
Ничего не капает. Нет.
make sound. Что-то хорошее. Okay.
Нет, ты сам не упади.
It is 528. No, like it is called V528. It is my one is there and
Масала готова. Да. Так что вы можете пока пойти.
it is. The lady is not here. Sorry, lady is not here. Yes, Papa. She went.
Встаньте, соберем ковер.
Она хороша для Калы Брамари и Пранаямы. И вот этого она хороша для... Да,
अरे देखो मना किया ना ओ देखो मामा ले गए मामा चिकू
Ciao, Tahabi.
मामा है
Oh my God, she's just edible. She's just edible.
Ну, так, утром
Подкручивает, да, Серегу было видно.
И веником тебя. Хоть ты.
Здесь вот это очень вкусно.
This person is my mother, that person is my mother. If it is a man, no, if it is a lover. If it is a lover, yeah. Different, like different subjects, it depends. Чай попьем, или сейчас чай попьем?
Давайте.
Because it's a new такая первая. Да, или нет. Register your also in panchayat, go in panchayat, then it's easy to make all papers, yeah, like you said. Go, if you, when we find the house, yeah, with the home owner, go in panchayat, yeah, gram panchayat, and